Press the power button to start up. After startup, press the menu button to switch menus, and press the right arrow key to navigate through the menu. Locate the menu with language selection function. Press F4 to adjust the language. Use the right arrow key to switch to the next menu. Find the automatic shutdown function. Press F1 to adjust the shutdown time. On this screen, press F2 to adjust the screen brightness. Switch menus with the right arrow key to find the backlight time. Press F4 to adjust the time for automatic screen off. Press the menu button to switch the menu to the oscilloscope interface. Before testing, perform a quick check of the probe attenuation ratio. Press F4 to adjust the probe attenuation, making sure the numerical ratio matches the probe. Connect the probe to the CH1 input port. Connect the probe clip to the lower interface and the hook part to the upper interface. After connecting the probe to the signal output source, press the Auto key for automatic measurement. If there is a graphical error in the square wave display, use the probe adjustment tool to adjust the probe at this position. Connect 703 to the signal output terminal. Press the Auto key to automatically identify non-waveforms. Press F1 to select the voltage time base. Use the arrow keys to adjust voltage up and down and time base left and right. Press F2 to select waveform movement. Use the arrow keys to move the waveform up, down, left, and right. Long press F3 to center the waveform. Operation demonstration. Use the up and down arrow keys to adjust the trigger position. Press F4 to select the measurement cursor. You need to press the menu key to switch menus. Use the arrow keys to switch menu pages to find the measurement cursor. Press F2 to cycle through horizontal and vertical cursor measurement functions. First, press menu to switch menus. Then press F4 to cyclically switch between horizontal and vertical positions. Use the up and down arrow keys to adjust the vertical position, and the left and right arrow keys to adjust the horizontal position. Press menu to switch and find the channel function. Press F1 to select CH2, F2 to activate it. Press F1 F4 to switch and select CH1, CH2 for adjustments. Press menu to switch menus and find the signal output function. Then press F4 to enter the signal output function for adjustments, which needs to be switched to yellow by pressing the menu key. Use the arrow keys for selection adjustments. Press menu to confirm, then press F4 to exit. Press the Auto key for automatic measurements. When the signal output is not a square wave, the time base can only be set to 100 ns. Press menu to switch menus. Use the directional keys to navigate through the menu and find the extended application function. Select this function with F1 and use the arrow keys to navigate to the signal output function. Press menu to enter the signal generator interface. Use the arrow keys to select the output waveform. Use F1 and F2 to adjust the frequency, increase and decrease. Use F3 and F4 to adjust the duty cycle. To switch to the multimeter, press the mode key and press F2 to switch to the multifunction mode. Measuring AC voltage requires pressing F1 to switch to the AC mode. For measuring DC voltage, press F1 to adjust to the DC mode. When the positive and negative terminals are reversed, negative numbers are displayed in this case. Adjust the polarity to make the multimeter display positive numbers. To test resistance, press F2 to switch to the resistance mode. For testing continuity, press F2 to switch to the continuity mode. A beep will sound when the resistance value is less than 50 ohms. To test diodes, press F2 to switch to the diode mode, ensuring correct polarity connections. Forward bias indicates conduction, reverse bias indicates cutoff. When testing capacitance, press F2 to switch to the capacitance mode. Note, discharge is necessary before measuring capacitance. Press and hold the hold key to save the measured values. To view saved images, press the menu key to switch to the multimeter interface. Use the arrow keys to navigate the menu and find the extension applications. Press F1 to access the extended application function. And use the menu button to select image browsing. Click menu again to view the images and press mode to exit. To charge, simply insert the charger into the Type-C interface on the right side.